Well, it is raining, hard raining. I'm at the supercharger in Baton Rouge. There are 3 cars here charging. That red Tesla just pulled up. The gray one was there when I got here. And this is the longest hop I've got to make to Mobile. So I will be here for an hour charging this car. I hope at some point the rain lets up so I can make a quick trip over to that mall area. But right now, I'm not going anywhere. That's pretty good with 3 cars here. I'm still getting 366 miles an hour charging, so I can't complain.